Namaste, beautiful goddess. Welcome to Pause Secrets. And today, prenatal class is dedicated to the shoulders, okay, and to the upper back. So sometimes we're suffering from some pain here and some tension due to all the changes in our bodies when our belly is growing. And I think this practice will adjust very well to any of the trimesters. So you can do in the first, the second, or the third trimester. So the only thing that you need is a bolster. Okay, so I want you to grab a pillow. If you want, you can stop this video and grab a bolster if you have, or a firm pillow where you can sit. Where you can sit and have your knees closer to the earth, and then you will feel better on your hips. You will release tension of your hips. Okay, so sit on your bolster and take a moment to feel your spine lengthening. And you can have your hands resting on your lap, or maybe bring one hand to your beautiful belly and one hand to your heart. And I always like to start in deep connection with the breath. So take a moment to bring the awareness, bring the attention to the inhale. Make a long inhale and now a long exhale. And you can exhale through the mouth. Let everything go in that breath. And inhale again. And exhale, let everything go. You have the baby on your belly. You can feel your heartbeat, and perhaps you can feel your baby's heartbeat. Just follow the rhythm of your beautiful breath, and then slowly start opening your eyes. And with the next inhale, you bring your arms up to the sky. And as you exhale, your palms touch and bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. And one more time, deep breath in. Allow the breath to lead every movement. And exhale, hands to your heart. Now bring your hands to your shoulders. We're going to start warming up the shoulders. And I want you to imagine that you draw in circles with your elbows. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And one more time, inhale and exhale. And now reverse that movement. So inhale, elbows back and up, and exhale, forward and down. And two more times, big, big, big circles. As big as you can. Beautiful. And exhale, relax your hands. Now bring your hands to the bolster and move your head side to side. So you bring your ear to the shoulder and then change. Again, each side again. Inhale and exhale when you go deeper on the side of your neck. And come back to center. And now one hand stays down and the other hand comes up to the sky. And when you exhale, you lean towards the opposite side. Use the breath. Inhale, touch the sky. And exhale, bring the hand to the bolster. Inhale, let's do the other side. And exhale. Inhale, touch the sky, and exhale. Very nice. Now bring the hands behind, okay, behind your back. It's like you're trying to grab your bolster, and just draw your heart forward. So the hands stay on the seat. I can show it to you on the side. Okay, you see my hands behind, grabbing the bolster, and the only thing I do is like I draw my heart forward. Shoulders move back. And it's like I'm squeezing there in between my shoulder blades, okay? And the only thing is just Sweet intention with the heart, maybe chin up to the sky. Beautiful. And exhale, you come back to center. And now take your time to change the position. You're gonna come to your hands and knees, and you're gonna leave the bolster parallel to the mat. Okay, and I want you to have your hands on either side of the bolster. And now the only thing we do is move the hips side to side, side to side. And now draw a big circle to the right, big circle with your hips, and then to the left. So it's to the right and to the left. Big circles to the right and big circle to the left. And back to center. Bring your hands forward. Allow some room here for your beautiful belly, and rest here in child pose. So you sit back on your heels and you are resting your head. You can have your head here, your cheek on the bolster, or if you prefer, you can have your forehead. Whatever you feel that is more comfortable for you. This is your child pose. So make sure that your knees are spread out. Knees are wide open. Whatever you need to have room for your belly. And you stay here breathing in and breathing out. One more time. And slowly now walk your hands back and start rising up. Now we're gonna change the position of the bolster. So now the bolster is perpendicular to the mat. You're gonna come to your knees. So you see my hips are over my knees. And adjust the distance if you need. What I want you to do is to have the forearms on the bolster. Forearms on the bolster. And I want you to hang your head in between your arms. Okay, so the hips stay on the knees. You can have your knees hip distance or even a little more. And your head is hanging in between your arms. And I have no tension on my arms. You see my hands are relaxed, but I feel the stretch on my shoulders. And never hold your breath. You continue breathing in and breathing out. You really have to feel it on your shoulders. It should be comfortable for your belly. One more breath here. And then slowly back to a kneeling position. You walk your knees forward and you sit back on your knees. And now check again. Move your head side to side. And now interlock your fingers, bring your hands behind your head, not behind your neck, behind your head. And you bring your chin to the chest. And you see my spine, I allow my spine to round a little bit. And just the weight of your arms is enough to feel the stretch on the spine. And now inhale and open your elbows. It's like you're trying to bring the elbows as back as you can. Take a deep breath in here. And a deep breath out, and release your hands. And check on your shoulders again and your neck, moving your head side to side. And we do child pose again. So move your bolster. Now your bolster is parallel with the mat. Adjust the distance. Open your knees wide. Maybe your big toes touch. Sit back, have room for your belly, and relax your forehead or your cheek on the bolster. But now you bring your hands behind your back, interlace your fingers, and move your arms up to the sky. Deep breath in. And exhale, relax your arms by your sides. One more deep breath. Now, your hands over the head and start coming up again. And leave the bolster where it is. Move slowly, take your time, there is no rush. And sit back on the bolster. Bring one hand to the belly and one hand to the heart. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Bring a smile to your face, and that smile in your lips tells your baby that everything is alright. Connect with your baby, soul to soul connection through the breath and through the heartbeat. Take a moment to enjoy this amazing stage in your life. Inhale through the nose and now exhale through your shoulders, through your neck. Release any tension left. Inhale again and exhale slowly. Now open your arms, inhale. Palms touch. And bring your hands through your center line back to your heart, and let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Open your eyes, and I hope you feel better now, that your shoulders feel better, that you have no tension on your neck, and then you have a wonderful rest of the day. Thank you for doing this practice with me. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and get ready to also do the mommy and me videos that I have on my channel once you deliver your baby, and check the other prenatal yoga videos. Thank you, beautiful goddess. Thank you. Namaste.